let's go. Let's go. Let's fix your hair. Oh my goodness. Let's go, beautiful. Let's go to the snow. Yeah. Tell them it's been snowing for 2 days now, so the snow is super, super fresh. Ready? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me turn on my car real quick. Say hi, Lily. Say hi. Sorry for looking all busted. Well, like I've said before, I don't care. I really don't care if I have makeup on or not, but I'm just catching my breath because I have freaking a sweater on and then I have a long sleeve on and I'm kind of hot, but I need to be like prepared because, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we are going to the snow. So yay! Lele has been to the snow once before, but she was about maybe a year old or less. Yeah, I think I want to say a year old or less. No, it was probably like a little less, maybe like 10 months. So she's never actually gotten to touch it or like take it in really. I did actually vlog that one time, so I'll go ahead and have that video linked down below for you guys somewhere as well if you guys are interested in watching. But anyway, so there are some mountains right by my house. It's actually called IDLYWILD, California, and so it's been raining in town, but it's been snowing more up there than it has been raining down here. It actually even snowed in Hemet. For like a couple of minutes. I did not get to vlog it because I think I was asleep during the time that it did snow. It was this morning, and so I know that Moreno Valley got some snow as well. Beaumont, Fontana has also been getting some snow. And so yeah, anyways, right now in IDLYWILD it's like really good snow. My best friend has a cabin up there. Well, her mom does, and so we're gonna go up there with them. They invited us to the snow, and I like to take any opportunity that I can to go up there because my parents don't really like to go as much. And so yeah, I was like, let's go ahead and go to the snow. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from my house right now, but it looks like there is a bunch of snow. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drive to my best friend's house, put my car seat in their car because they do have a chains for their tires and they're well equipped. So let me show you guys the snow right now from my house, and then we're gonna go ahead and be on the way. So you guys could see a little bit of it, but it is pretty much pretty down. So it's gonna be a bunch of snow. I cannot wait to show you guys once we are there, but we're gonna go ahead and drive to my best friend's house because I have to be there in 10 minutes, and I will show you guys on the way up there. It looks so beautiful. No? Say hi. So you're just waiting for my Tios and Tia to come out. Come here. Let's see Tio's car. Come on. No? Look, you don't want to see Theo's car? Come on. Look, come here. Look at the cold wrap my compadre has on his car. Look. I hope you guys can see it. Alayah. Hola. Alayah's asleep. Okay. We're here.
Ruben, Daddy got a big ball and hit my hair.
My pregnancy is so sad. There's a lot of snow, guys.
What happened?
It's okay, Alayah.
You fell over there.
She's like, what is all of this?
Kids, it's snow and it's so Christmas.
So pretty.
Trying to make a path. Go under here.
Fresh snow, so beautiful. So pretty. Yeah. We don't drop it on me, Ruben. The snow. Sure, you wanted to touch it, but she was asleep, so we have to wait a couple minutes before she goes out there. It's a bunch. Hold her hand, Leo. Mommy, don't be scared. Alright, boys, what are you guys doing? What are you doing, Ruben? You're covering the bucket. Why? Safe? Because what? Because Layla keeps touching the water there, huh? Careful.
These are only my pants.
Oh, yeah? There's a bunch of snow. So pretty.
It rained the 6th time.
Yeah.
And look it. Be careful with that.
Oh, the icicles. You're right. Let's see. Let's show it on our video. Oh, yeah.
And there's a big one right here.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna drop.
Be careful. Don't have boys. They're too crazy. This is my godson Leo and his older brother, aka my nephew Ruben. Is it snowing or is it because you threw that?
It's snow.
It's snowing, isn't it?
Yeah, and it dropped. That's why it's
Is it snowing? No, tell me. Is it snowing? Let me see. Oh, it is snowing. It's snowing.
snowing.
It's snowing. Oh my god.
You want one?
No, I'm okay, thank you. Alayah.
This big one.
It's snowing.
Go.
Leo, be careful. That one almost hit Lily. Over there? Yeah.
What did she say?
She does like a monster noise. She goes, rawr.
That's what I do.
It's so cold, but so pretty.
Go inside in a little bit because it's gonna snow hard.
It's not gonna snow anymore. Look, there's blue in the sky. This cloud up here that's moving is what's dropping a little bit of light snow.
The clips are frozen together.
Oh yeah, you're right.
These ones are together.
That's funny. Oh my gosh, boys. You guys are crazy. Look at the snow.
Leo.
It is snowing.
Can you put your foot here? Can you
Me?
stand
No,
right
I'm
here?
scared. Smoothness on the car. That was a trampoline. I would jump. I'm kidding. I would not, but there's still light snow, so you guys could see. Lily's like having so much fun. It is lightly snowing, you guys, as you could see. Oh, actually, it's kind of coming down hard, a little harder, huh? Oh, I have it on front face. Careful. Alayah's having a ton of fun. But we're gonna probably go inside soon before it gets even colder. Huh, Ruben?
Uh-huh.
What are you eating,
I
sir?
like ice.
Icicles.
And I want that big chunk one over there.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, it's just like quick snow that's passing by. So these clouds on top right now is what's letting snow come out, roll down. And Laylay's just having fun in the balcony. Oh, I don't even know if I said, but we are in the balcony of my best friend's parents' cabin.
Uh-oh, honey.
Back up, back up.
That is it. I'm like back there. Claudia's got this. She's an expert at the snow.
Yeah.
That's why she's pregnant again.
I was gonna say that.
Correct.
That's why we're having our baby.
We all know that.
Is the heater on?
Yes, baby.
Hey, look, it's a Gideon's dad.
Oh, it is?
Oh yeah, he's saying hi. He's saying peace to you. A little more icier. Yeah.
Did you guys drive slow?
No, we flew. You know me?
Is she sliding over there? No.
No, baby. You know, a couple years ago, Papa, people did that, and one of the little kids,
Got run over.
yeah, because they
It was last year, no?
what was it, 2-3 years ago, I think. They accidentally slid all the way out to the highway, and a car freaking ran them over.
Here?
Yes, over there.
Going too fast, we couldn't stop.
Yeah, over there by where Grandma lives in Pine Cove. And the kid died. So you can't do that on the streets. You gotta be careful.
Still want to go sledding.
He's like, oh well.
We're going sledding on Mountain Center. No,
So right here, babe? Are we allowed to park right here?
This is the turnover?
This is one of them.
Oh.
well, honestly, there's no sledding zone anymore.
Yeah, because then now
Because your car is red like Santa's.
Like
Santa.
Oh, you thought it was, yeah.
Yes! So you ran them over and then they did nothing to you.
Aye, that's right, Chris. Why you have to go kill a deer? I'm just
I know, huh?
You're so mean, Dad.
you're just so rude.
Why do you have to run over a deer?
We didn't mean to.
No.
I was like, am I
There's
seeing?
no wind.
Yeah, it is. It's like super late. It kind of looks like if it is over there. Or am I just tripping?
You know,
Like, you see how it looks over there?
Yeah. Probably. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it.
you know, so there was windstorm.
Yeah.
Wind tornado. Guess what?
Oh, yeah.
When was that time, baby, where we got stuck and we had to go back home? Was it when the...
Like, it rained for a whole last week, maybe? No? Remember that one time that it rained for a whole week?
It was, yeah, but we were coming...
It was 2 years ago, too.
Dang, that's recent.
No, it was when we had to drive the other way.
Oh, because of the fires, no?
The road
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
road had given out or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the sled, the thing, the rock sled
Yeah, the
thing.
rock, all the big mess, and we had to come and pick up the kids, and we had to go back because
So snowing.
we
Huh?
couldn't make it. Yeah, it is snowing.
Cool. It's like really light though, huh? It's snowing. Huh?
Are you getting out?
Oh, just looking at the snow.
Okay.
Bye!
Be careful, Ruben. Snowing. How cool. It's like actually coming down pretty harder and harder, and like the snow's pretty big. No, No, it's not windy. That's the good thing. Okay. Oh my goodness, there's a car coming out too with some snow. It's like snowing really hard, guys. Like really, really hard. I really don't want her to get sick. But look at mommy, the snow. You see? You like the snow, baby. I just don't want to get you out because you're going to get shaky, mama. She don't. Let me close it, okay? It's snowing even more, guys. And like harder and stuff. Luckily, Laylay's like okay, but oh my god, it's like really coming down. Oh my goodness. Like a lot. So here, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I wish my parents and my brother were here. This is so nice. Alright guys, it's like snowing really bad now. My best friend's like coming. You can't even see over there where the kids are playing really anymore. I'm like hella freezing. So thank God I did not take Alayah out, but we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching.